Hey Grateful Gang, guess what time of the month it is? We about to unbox, okay? Now listen, am I gonna unbox Coach every single time? I don't know. But as you can see, that's what we're working with, right? And I got my coffee. I'm at work, y'all. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna breeze through this. And get to the point, okay? That coffee be so good in the morning, but y'all, yes. I got me a cute little bag, look. Oh, that's a lot. That is a lot. They gave me a nice box to unbox it in. I don't think I got this gift wrap because I keep forgetting to actually go ahead and to the point where they can wrap it. I keep forgetting to ask for it. Now y'all, my bag got tore from the actual box, so I'm not gonna keep this. I'm definitely gonna throw this away, but I do like the box. I ain't gonna hold you. I might keep somehow preserve the sign and maybe make like a wall. I don't know. I probably just need to throw it away so I don't start hoarding stuff. But y'all, can you tell by the size what type of bag this is? No, you can't, because it could be anything. Because Coach got some pretty big bags. But you probably could tell whether it's retail or outlet, right? I do not know. Y'all, let's get to it though. Today, oh yeah, I love the boxes too. But today is the unboxing. I know I do it. I did get a gift wrap. Yes! Awesome. Now I almost don't know what I got. But y'all see how pretty it is? I love when they do this. Right? Super cute. I have my sunglasses or my Ray-Ban glasses so that you can get a POV view of it as well. But I think I'm just gonna do a complete unboxing and then show you what it looks like at the very end on. So let's get through this real quick. All right, let me pull up a chair. That's what we not. As a matter of fact, all this can go in the trash. I'll find a dumpster in there. That way it'll make it a lot easier. Okay, so just pulling up a chair here. Let's get to it. Now my box is a little hinky on the side. It looks like it's kind of raggedy. I don't like that. If I pay for something, I need it to be the right way. So yeah, I'm gonna have to complain because I keep my boxes, you know what I mean? I keep them for like my displays and stuff like that in my house. But this box is torn, it's broken, and if I got gift wrapped, I pay for it. You feel me? So I need them to correct stuff like this. Like don't do that. Look, it's broke. I ain't never even opened this box. I ain't never even took it out of that. So I know that it has nothing to do with shipping. You gave me a raggedy box to begin with because that box would be messed up if it was because of shipping. So yeah, we're gonna have that's one thing we not playing at. I do not play that. And I'm not gonna be able to keep this box because it's coming apart all the way around, and we paid $3 for this. I don't know, maybe I can somehow glue it back together. I'll figure that out. As a matter of fact, let me get the bag out so that I can just put this back together and take it back and get it and glue it or something. I don't know how I'm gonna get this glued together. But yeah, I do not like that. I don't like that at all. That is real crappy. Yeah. Sorry y'all, I hope it don't mess up the whole mood of the video because now your girl got an attitude. But anyway, what we working with, y'all? Y'all know what this is. You can tell, right? Can't you tell? Get it open. If I can. Child, what these people done do with this? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna say, don't make me tie it in a knot. Okay. Y'all see what it is. It's the Crocodile Brooklyn. Now I'm done with these Brooklyns. I did want the patchwork one, but that's it. I'm not gonna get no more Brooklyns. I've had enough. I got 3, possibly 4, because I have one that is not from Coach, but it looks just like it. It has 2 D-rings though also, so, and it has cap hair. But this one I also had to have. Let me bring it a little bit closer to you. And I'm gonna show you all the details of it when I actually like POV it with my glasses, okay? But look, this is how it fits. I might throw this box away. I'm real irritated about this box. I hope y'all know that. That is super annoying. But look, I'm standing back far enough, I hope. Y'all see that? That is a nice size. As a matter of fact, today I'm carrying my Bluebell. I'm gonna swap it out for this one though. I like that, I like that, I like that, I like that. But you see how it fits? Y'all, the smell of it. I know they be saying it's not real, but is it not real? Are you sure about that? I don't know. But guys, let's get into the entire bag. You see how it fits? I did show it to you. You have the D-ring on the side to where you can actually put chains and stuff like that. And then there's a D-ring on the inside as well to put a chain to hook it like that. However, I don't know how I would decorate this one. I'm gonna go look on TikTok and see what I can find, because to be honest with you, some of these bags you shouldn't be really messing with, bro. It has enough decoration with the print. However, I have the olive green one, right? I did that unboxing, I believe, last month. The olive green one, I gotta have a Rexy. And I heard Rexy is coming out either April this month or June. So I need Rexy. And that will be a charm that I will actually spend some money on, because I can't find a Rexy charm in Shein or none of that, right? You know how they all dupe it? They ain't dupe that one. Maybe they thought we didn't like it, but I need Rexy for my olive Brooklyn like this. So, and then I'm done with Brooklyns, y'all. We not doing no more Brooklyns, okay? Stuff like this I do keep in the bag, and I also keep the receipts for tax purposes. So any of my YT, YouTube, TikTok, any of y'all that unboxes, make sure you keep your receipt for taxes. But y'all, I definitely am gonna show you the bag, like the details of it here in just a moment. All right, let's go.
Now this embossed Croc Brooklyn 39 Hobo tote bag by Coach is permanently reduced. It's no longer at the Coach store. It is at Dillard's now. It's $357, y'all, and the suede is so beautiful. Now I do notice that it feels a little bit like I don't know how to say it. I hate to say moist, because you don't want your bag to be moist, but that's how suede feels to me for some reason. So I feel like these bags are really real. But it does have the magnetic snap closure. It does have also an inside pocket, and the strap is like 13 inches wide, so you can wear it as a shoulder strap. It will fit just fine. Y'all, this bag though is dope. You see how big it is. Now Coach still does have some suede bags left. They still have the warm brown, they still have the Bluebell one that's suede. They also have a clay color bag. They have a couple of different leathers. One of the leathers has what is it, like bag charms hanging off of them, and then they have some different color ones. I will be sure to tag all those bags. I'm gonna tag pictures of the bags that are still left so that I can tag everything in them. But y'all, now the bag does not stand up on its own without something in it though. Just so you know, it's not a sturdy, stable bag like that. It is still extremely cutesy, right? I'm trying to get everything out of this bag so that you can see it. It actually does not have a magnetic strap. The suede ones don't have a magnetic strap. I don't know why it's saying that on the website. It does not have a magnetic snap closure. Those are never on suede bags. Okay, just on leather, right? Yeah, just on leather. because my other one doesn't have it either. Y'all, I don't know how many of these bags I have. I have 4. I'm gonna stop getting them. Well, like I said, I have a 3 and a possible because one of them is not Coach brand, but it is the same exact bag. Y'all, I will be rocking all of these bags all of the time, okay? My bluebell one would be in the spring. My olive one will be in the spring. Winter and fall is going to be my calfskin one. And this crocodile one is also going to get a lot of play in my wardrobe, okay? How you feeling, y'all, about this bag? What do you think? I'm trying to show you like the Coach label and stuff like that. But how you feeling about these? What do you feel about Coach's Brooklyn 39? Are they like way too big for you, or do you really like the medium size one because they have a 34, not in the Croc though, and they have a small one as well? Now let me real quick run through the ones that are left for you guys. I'm only showing you the 39, the largest size, and there's plenty, guys, and I hope you find something you like. I made sure to tag them, and I really appreciate you watching my unboxing. See you next month. Bye bye.